Hey, what's up, everybody? Little different setting today. I'm in the woods. I'm in a patch of woods. That's right, guys. This is what I love to do every so often, is walk around through a patch of woods. And in Japan, they have a term called forest bathing. And the theory is that the energy that the trees give off kind of syncs with your own aura. And so the term Shinrin Yoku, aka forest bathing, Shinrin Yoku is the Japanese term for forest bathing. It was coined in 1890, I believe, or 1892 by a Japanese minister. And the theory was that the woods have a medicinal effect on the mind. The energy that the forest gives off is conducive with the bioelectric field. It's therapeutic in a very relaxing way. So I love the woods. And you know, living in the suburban area of Staten Island, of New York City, in Staten Island, is something that I'll never get tired of. And you know me, guys, I'm a big city guy. I love the city. But every so often, I need to do this. And I've been doing this for a long time, just walking through parcels of woodland with my trusty camera, hoping to find some critters, some insects, some bugs, flowers, frogs, birds. Oh, something is calling out in the distance, guys. You hear that? You may hear the frogs too, the bullfrogs. They sound like sounds like they have bull horns. You hear the frogs? Oh, there's a lot of frogs in this pond. I'm looking for some turtles. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's a turtle. There's two turtles. There he is. There it is. You hear the bullfrogs? Those are the bullfrogs. Check this out, guys. This is called the Beaten Path. It's a trail, a naturally made one by humans. And nature knows nothing grows on the beaten path, because when the soil is compressed, nature learns that there's a lot of humans coming through here. So don't grow anything. No plants. Humans need to walk through here, or animals. The soil is compressed and nothing grows because it just, you know, it's nature. Nature learns. Nature is intelligent. It's a network. And Yeah, if lots of people are walking through here every day, through these woods, through this channel, through this path, the foliage, nature, plants, plant life will not grow here because the soil is compressed. And as you can see, guys, you'll never see anything growing on a beaten path. Guys, here are some ferns. Check that out, ferns. Love them. I love ferns. There's patches of ferns all over here along this trail. Look at this old down tree. Quite a few. Nice plant over there. I believe that's young honeysuckle. Not sure if that's just a newly sprouting honeysuckle. That was not honeysuckle. This is honeysuckle, folks. What I saw before there was not honeysuckle. So here we have some honeysuckle. In the late summer, if you want to see some hummingbirds hang out by a plant such as this, honeysuckle, and you'll see some hummingbirds. That's what you got to look for. The hummingbirds love this plant. It's young right now. It's springtime. It's not summer. So the plant is not fully developed yet. And here's a cabin where I've eaten many lunches. There's some picnic tables there under this beautiful cabin. Very relaxing spot. And there's a groundhog that lives under there. I don't see him right now. Don't see the groundhog. Yep, I've eaten plenty of lunches on these tables over the years, guys, including those as well. And there's the nature center. Awesome spot, awesome place, awesome park. And surprisingly, I haven't taken one single photograph yet. I just didn't spot anything. Some flowers perhaps, but no bugs, nothing, no insects, no birds. It's all right. What matters is that you get out, get some fresh air, and again, do some forest bathing. That's right, guys, forest bathing. It's a thing. It's a Japanese thing. Look it up. And here we have another example of a beaten path, folks. And some more ferns. Look at all these ferns. They're growing everywhere. If you guys look at my post from the other day, I took that photograph. It was a photograph I posted about 2 days ago, and it was right here, this very spot. nice procession of trees, the ferns. I really like this part of the forest. It's really, really beautiful. And usually there's a creek flowing through here, but we've had a pretty dry spring, so no creek right now. But the ferns are growing really nice. It's really pretty here. And again, guys, what's amazing to me is how nothing grows on the beaten path. Nature knows, nature learns, nature adapts and is in sync with humanity in this form, because if the soil is compressed in a linear in a single linear area, nothing's gonna grow on the beaten path, guys. That's what the beaten path means. It's pretty interesting to me. I know it sounds I don't know, I find it fascinating. Again, guys, here's a look at the ferns. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little hike. A little different, you know. It's not always about being in the city. Every so often, I like to immerse myself into a forest and do some forest bathing. That's right, guys. That's the thing. It's a Japanese thing. Look it up. There's a science behind it. Who knows? Who knows? But it's fascinating nonetheless. Whether it's theoretical or not, it's something to think about. And I gotta say, guys, when I walk through the woods, I feel 100 pounds lighter. Well, folks, I think that about sums it up for me. I'm gonna go head home, have a meal. Hope you enjoyed this walk and found it as relaxing as I did. I love living here. I have the combination of nature and the city. I can get to Manhattan in 30 minutes. I can get to parts of Jersey, Philadelphia in an hour and 15 minutes. I'm in the middle of everything. That's what I love about living on Staten Island. It truly is quite a convenient place, relaxing place, the best of all worlds. You know, I have my nature and I have my city close by, just 40 minutes away by car. You would never think you're in New York City, right? Be well, folks. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I look forward to our correspondences. Take care, guys.